After nearly 4 years of dating, Sarah Silverman and Michael Sheen have split. The comedian broke the news on Twitter saying she and Michael consciously uncoupled over Christmas. Then she joked that the split wasn't over Christmas, but it was because they live in different countries and things got hard. And they felt like they should just tell us so we would stop asking. Like we said, the couple has been together for some time now, first becoming an item back in January of 2014. And during their relationship, they starred alongside each other for the first 2 seasons of Showtime's drama, Masters of Sex. As of yet, neither has responded for requests to comment. And since Sarah puts it so eloquently on Twitter, we don't expect a quote anytime soon. Before getting together with Sheen, Sarah was in a high-profile relationship with Jimmy Kimmel. We look forward to seeing how both Michael and Sarah bounce back after this. If you like and subscribe to our videos, there's a chance your favorite celebrity will follow you on Twitter. We can't prove that, but we're saying there's a chance.